Where y'all at?
You got my location.
Y'all keep moving though. Y'all, let me turn the camera around. Let me see. Turn the camera around. Turn the camera around. Oh yeah, Duncan New?
Yeah,
alright, we coming.
Okay.
Yeah, Duncan New. Yo. They finna come out?
Yes.
Alright, do your thing. We trying to get through, that's all.
Alright.
Go up. Just finna park right there. Hey! Where y'all finna go to the restaurant?
Yeah.
Which one? Duncan New? Where?
The Kuno.
We gonna drop y'all off when y'all park.
Huh?
We gonna drop y'all off.
How?
On a bike.
Oh, okay.
Okay? That's okay with you over there, passenger?
We'll see, hold on.
Alright, go up some. Come on. Nah, hell no. Yo! Good. Got a little squad with me tonight. Man, they got a truck. Bet. I want to close the rearview mirrors for me. How much the park? 30? I got you. That boy be out here robbing people. Damn, these big ass mirrors, dog. Bet. Golly. And they got police over there. Over there, they got me blocked in. I got my little dog with me. He on a little electric team. Yo, big man, what you doing? You see the police there? Y'all alright? Alright. Fine shit. Y'all still trying to eat? I thought y'all ate already.
No, we didn't eat it. We didn't eat that.
So what y'all doing? Y'all going for a ride or what?
Yeah, let's go for a ride. I want to go for a ride.
Come on.
Oh,
Get on here.
okay. We're going for a ride. Come on, guys. Come on. Yeah, yep.
Look, put your foot right there. You can step over.
Wait, I'm definitely not going to go that way.
Why not?
But we'll wait on you.
Look, the folder right there.
I'm scared.
Yo, hold on. Right there. Hey, go up a little bit. Outside we there. You got like this your first time on a bike. This ain't your first time.
Yes, it is. I swear to God. I swear.
Oh man. out tonight. Got my dog, my little nigga out.
Oh my God!
Shot. You heard me? You on the strip, going toward 20th Street. Huh? Yeah, where you at? Yeah, 20th Street. We gonna spin them back around.
We in Miami for the never gonna die.
Which way you wanna go? They done left their home, girl. What y'all finna go in there, drink and stuff?
We want to drink. I don't even know.
Where they at?
Oh, they in LA. We from Cali.
I'm gonna say, how the fuck is daytime?
Mwah. We from Cali.
What y'all gonna do?
I don't know.
Hey, you done left your home, girl, now?
They do. They fine. They grown.
Hey, go ahead, Brickell then. Hey, Brickell. Birthday there.
My homegirl that's on this side. She turned 30 next week.
Yeah.
We on the video, I'm gonna record y'all.
Go ahead.
Y'all?
Vibing. Hey, we fell to the beach. What you finna do? You gonna come back?
Oh my God, this is crazy.
Yeah, nigga. You outside tonight.
Hey.
Just here in March. I ain't see you. I don't remember seeing you. In April.
No, I didn't see you either.
So how you was on the video?
I have no idea. No fucking idea. I be going viral on my little TikTok, so they caught a bit.
You scared? Don't be scared.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Nothing scared. I'm
Man, you know you walk out with professionals, man.
Yeah, I've seen. I never heard of Miami Beach till I seen that comment. I said, what? Let me check the YouTube. I said, okay. Alright.
Hey, hold on right there. Just look at it.
Don't, hey, make sure you don't touch the pipe. That shit hot. You don't fuck with that front shit, huh?
You scared?
Hell no.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
The way you scream like you on a youth fair ride.
They don't do this shit in Cali. This is different.
They do this in Cali.
No, they maybe in LA. I'm not in LA.
Oh, my little dog, Dirtbike kid. Boy, be holding it down. Woo!
We need to go over to Miami, Mickey.
call them police.
Hell no. They should have came.
I didn't want to come now?
They should have came. They should have came. Fuck no. Oh my God.
Man, you don't trust me?
Clearly I trust you.
Okay.
Clearly I trust you now.
Hey!
Jungle Road. We gotta go back to Jungle Road.
I gotta go through Brickell real quick. Come back.
Okay. Yeah. We in Miami. This is crazy, y'all. This is crazy.
Get that view. Yo! Man, pay attention. Y'all boy by the record.
Oh God.
You got caught by the bridge.
Oh my God.
Down a bridge up. I gotta see how you look on this bike. Let me see how you look on this bike. Ooh! I ain't gonna lie, you look good on that bike. Check you out. Who let you come out of the house like this?
I'm in Miami.
Oh yeah, Miami.
I'm in Miami.
Okay.
We straight from Cali.
They from Cali.
Cali shit. Yeah. Cali girls do it the best. Yeah. I'm
Okay.
sorry. I don't know. Cali girls do it the best.
How long y'all finna be down here for?
I'm leaving Monday.
Monday? Damn.
Turn around.
That was short.
Quick little turnaround. I tapped in with you though.
For sure.
Miami Skeet.
Gang, no.
That's crazy.
See no more, right?
Oh, hey. Hold on, Reese. You wanna hold on?
You vibing.
Oh my God! What?
It's an adventure bike. Let's go off road.
Oh!
Look ahead. Hey, you gotta be careful going through that shit.
You know. Go ahead, go.
That shit open?
Yeah.
Go ahead. So you never ride a bike in LA?
Never. Never. That's the birthday girl right there.
Oh yeah, happy birthday to you.
30, 30, 30, 30.
Okay.
No. Oh, shit. No. He gonna go up the top.
He's trying to take me out. He's trying to take me out on my birthday.
Right. We in Miami turning up another notch.
Go ahead, drive that shit. Drive it then.
Hell no.
He told me, but I'm scared about all them cars.
And that bitch packed tonight.
It's lit.
That fool gonna have a hard time getting through that shit. Come on. Go around the block. Go up a little bit. Yeah. What you finna go in there and get some oxtail?
I have no idea what do they even have.
Get some oxtails or something.
Some oxtail?
Yeah. You know about oxtails? They don't got that in Cali.
Everybody got their ass done out here?
Yeah.
That's different.
Y'all got oxtails in Cali? Y'all be eating that over there.
Not oxtails for real. I wish there was more of it.
So you gotta try it now. Why you out here in Miami?
We in Miami. Are you from out here? Was that a no?
Oh yeah, that was. Yeah, that was.
You never know. You never know. You never know. Woo! Hey! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! All right. Okay. Okay. My ass is killing.
Come on.
Oh, this ass is heavy.
You got a wagon heavy back there. You had fun?
I had a ball.
You look familiar though, I ain't gonna lie. Huh? Yeah. I don't know. Finna get on? You coming on the bike or what?
I just did.
Oh, you was on the bike?
Yeah.
Take them around.
Huh? Oh. Finna hit it?
Yeah, I'm going dead, bro.
Where you going?
I'm going dead.
Oh shit.
33.
How far you gotta go?
About 80.
Oh, you vibing. I should make it right. 33. Be safe. We're gonna be outside tomorrow. Well, and a hit. Man, what you got going on? Wanna put a police sirens on? I might think he scanned somebody. So where you going now?
You remember me? What's your Instagram? Follow me on Instagram.
Everybody from Sharp. What the
I think a lot of
fuck?
people like Detroit and Chicago down here.
That boy likely to call the police in there.
Just leave after. I'll call you back.
All right.
And drive home safe.
All right, you too. What? That ain't even no question.
I think that was, what pump that is y'all on side of the
4.
4?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 4. I love me a bike.
He's on them big bikes. You like you ride with Brian 606 now.
That is Brian.
For real?
That's Brian, that's
What's
my
up,
homie.
homie?
Who you, your sister or cousin?
Brian, no, this is my auntie.
Auntie?
Your auntie?
Yeah, did you grab a no?
So you and auntie in the yam.
Hey, where y'all finna go? Y'all need to go to Wynwood.
Damn.
Y'all hanging on the beach tonight?
Freaknik? Oh, y'all look like y'all ready for Freaknik too.
I mean,
Especially auntie ready too. Where y'all from?
They from Chirac.
oh, you gotta pull up?
Nah, it should reach though.
I mean,
You getting gas?
probably not. Huh? It ain't back there how it used to
You gotta stand on your pants.
be. You lying.
Hey, unlock the door.
That thing
What?
Is that time?
No.
This is stand on right on your back of your pants.
You probably sat on something.
Yeah, I had to.
Damn, boy. Where you been at?
When y'all was passing out downtown, they tried blitzing me.
Yeah? What you did? You pulled over?
No, I kept going. It's cause y'all, as soon as y'all like cut through the light.
Hey, the speaker dead?
Nah, that shit on.
You gotta turn him up.
Because I definitely settled.
Yeah, it is.
It'll be on. See,
Y'all put the gas already?
I set on something. Look, it's on my booty cheek.
Right on the next block. You can't reset that.
Watch yourself. I don't hit you with the pump.
Damn, man. Look,
I'm grabbing against something.
it's all on the back of your shit. That's probably makeup.
Huh? Yeah. That's what it is. Thank you.
You up?
It's cool. I'm
Urban, I heard of that, but I don't know what that's at. I don't
know. It ain't that far away.
Let me see the address.
12 minutes.
Let me see you going over the bridge. Oh, that's in Wynwood.
What is it called again? The Urban. Yes, at the Urban, homie. At the hotel.
That's where we just came from.
Condo. Urban 22.
We just came from over that way.
Urban 22.
Alright, we gonna see y'all there. We gonna pull up.
Cap.
Okay, pull up.
What y'all drinking tonight? Everybody on Don Julio. Don Julio is on us tonight. Just wait for us. Psych. What y'all put, 30? Y'all put 30, right? I ain't gonna lie, I should've waited till I got over the bridge. That shit expensive over here.
Yeah?
What? You on the beach. Everything expensive.
Yeah, we should have waited till we got over there.
How much that shit was? $3.39 a gallon. That shit probably been like $3 over there on the other side. 2 something.
Yeah, well, see y'all.
We gonna pull up the Freaknik. Hey, let me get some pizza. You ain't sharing tonight? You ain't sharing tonight? Look at her. You look good. I ain't seen her good. Where y'all from? DC. Hey, everybody from DC out here. What's going on? That pizza good? Where y'all headed to? Did I take y'all? Huh? It's on the other side, down the street. Yeah. Come on. Hey, I know y'all feet hurting. From where? Where y'all going? Y'all walking the wrong way for the club? Oh.
Where's your other friends go?
Hey,
Someone went in.
y'all going to Verdun?
Yeah. Milwaukee?
Where? gonna take out for a ride real quick before I go to the club.
We about to get in this club right now. Should I go on? No, we don't have time.
You got time?
We got one.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
Follow me on Instagram.
Okay.
They turned off. Don't worry about police.
Yeah. You know the dances? The viral dances from Milwaukee?
My boy working there. I'm gonna tell him to look out for y'all.
Thank you. Thank you. He was a fairy. Y'all, we should really do that TikTok.
How y'all gonna do that? With the bikes?
Huh?
Y'all gonna do it with the bikes?
Money bag, yo.
Where y'all from?
Milwaukee.
Milwaukee.
Yeah.
What y'all do over there? That sounds so country and
It's not country. It's
slow.
really,
For real?
it's really ghetto.
Yeah?
You know Kia Boys? You know where all that shit
Oh,
started at?
that's where Kia Boy's from?
Yeah, that's where
Y'all remember I'm from Brickell, earlier? I'm Brickell, Wynwood.
I can't remember them, I ain't gonna lie.
I don't think we saw you or you. Yeah, we saw you.
You got your Instagram, yes. We was at Brickell, y'all was on the south on the recording.
Yeah, I remember.
Where y'all going at?
They going to Verdun right there.
How long y'all, where y'all from? How long y'all down here for?
When y'all leaving? Sunday.
Tomorrow,
God damn.
What time y'all flight?
6 a.m.
Damn.
We're leaving here.
Going straight to the airport.
Yep. Yeah.
Damn, it's over with for y'all. Y'all better enjoy this.
Yep.
The
Make sure
airport.
when y'all going to y'all shake both legs, not one. You're
Gonna shake 2 cheeks.
Don't
Look
do-
at the leg.
You gonna come to Milwaukee?
Where y'all from?
From
You
here.
live there?
You're from here.
Oh, y'all live here? I'm coming.
What the hell you think we just ride around here on vacation?
Yeah. Reynolds.
On these?
Yeah.
They don't even rent these
It's
out.
nice though, I ain't gonna lie.
They don't even rent these out, baby.
Oh, I thought she had on
Okay,
the
that's
dress.
not.
Okay. I'm gonna add you back right now.
Okay.
Yeah, you already there?
You gotta look out for them when they go in there.
Alright, I'm gonna make sure they good.
You say you gonna make sure y'all good.
Okay, thank
He
you.
ain't get there yet though.
Thank
Oh! Beautiful ladies first. Your feet hurt? Let me take you to the car. Where y'all going?
I'm gonna drive on your bike.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
She don't wanna go though. Your friend.
Go on the bike.
Your friend Green. Your friend don't wanna go, you can't go.
I know, right?
What's going on tonight? You can come ride though. You can come ride.
I can't die on that. I'm too beautiful. I'm too talented.
We professionals over here. Huh?
I can take some footage, y'all.
We ain't trying to hang out too long. The police be
I
tripping.
got you. Take my IG.
We in and out. Put a Miami
You
ski.
fine, baby.
Thank you.
Hold on. Your ID. Sorry.
Miami.
Sorry. You gotta write it in there, baby. I'm multitasking.
I feel you.
Let me know when you're ready.
What y'all doing? Photo shoot?
Yeah. Thank you.
Damn, they put the water hose on. Watch out for the water. Don't get wet. Hey, you stay in Miami?
Yeah, I stay in Miami.
Alright.
My SIM card not in
Yo, I see your blouse, I tell you.
Wait, you seen our YouTube?
I see you, motherfucker. This something.
Ah, for sure.
Yeah, you got the whole crew and stuff.
Yeah, we outside. Yeah, you know how we go.
I see that shit.
That boy say he seen my shit on YouTube.
Who wants you to?
Yeah.
Where's the blue one? Where's the white?
And at the house, I want a big boy tonight. Y'all enjoy dinner? What you have tonight?
Huh?
What you have? What you eat?
Nothing.
Only drink? Remember you? From where?
The first school.
Oh! Nah, you are dressed up tonight. I ain't recognize you.
Like pants and everything.
Ça va?
Ça va et toi?
You French too? You live here? Okay. Oh,
Yeah, usually I ride with you.
yeah, I ain't even noticed. I ain't even noticed. I'm like, what the fuck? We just hanging out. So where you go after this?
Maybe at Vendôme.
Oh, y'all love Vendôme.
Yeah, that's French, you know.
Yeah, every French person there. Okay, enjoy.
Maybe see you next week.
Okay.